to Puerto Rican women. This bitch, she got me like all on my shit. I was like, I would never go back to a Jamaican woman because Puerto Rican women are the shit. And then I was like, yo, I'm thirsty because we did like a really big exercise right now. And then he was like, oh yeah, for real? I'm like, yeah, I want a beer. He's like, well, I ain't gonna buy you a drink, but I'll email you. Like, fuck you. Don't even bother emailing me. Deny on MySpace.
Hold on, Jen, I have to ask you a question.
What? If Jamaican men are the shit?
No, you danced with a bunch of random men.
Yes, I did.
How much of them got dance floor wood?
All of them. All of them got the wood because I move it like, I shake it like that. Yo, I give them like straight like hand jerk offs with my ass cheeks.
Oh God! So
4 out of 5 recommended.
Oh my God!
Wait, stop. Think about it. It was good.